Bulletin Communique. This is Preeti. Let's have a look at this week's headlines. College celebrates the feast of Saint Aloysius Gonzaga. Self-defense classes begin. Interclass sports commences. News in details. The college celebrated the feast of its patron Saint Aloysius Gonzaga on Saturday 21st of June in the Loyola Hall. The Bishop of Shivamogga, Reverend Dr. Francis Serrao, was the main celebrant at the feast. In his address, Father Serrao asked the students to learn the language of love and to serve the people. The Mass was followed by offertory procession. All Catholic students were present on the occasion. The self-defense classes have begun, which was the most awaited venture of the Women's Forum. It was initiated on 26th of June, Thursday, in the college premises.
This class is held once in a week and is meant for lady students to help them defend themselves in time of distress. Ms. Gladwin Fernandez was resource person at a program.
Women Forum is conducting self-defense program for the students as well as for the lecturers. And in this session we are going to teach them how to defend themselves. Okay, maybe we are teaching them the target points, the self-defense weapons and the self-defense techniques.
As we all know, in today's world a woman doesn't feel secure, and being a part of the Women's Forum, we decided, having talent in our own college, we have our lecturer, Ma'am Gladwin, who is very well versed in karate, and even I, being the student council president, am a karate black belt. So we decided that we should impart this knowledge to our fellow students, and that's why we organized this self-defense session, where we thought we will give them basic techniques on how to stand up for themselves and feel safe in this society.
We hope that it truly helps the students. With camera person Jairaj, myself Ashwini reporting for Communique.
Are students bored of learning all day? So, the students of St. Aloysius College are encouraged to pursue a wide range of intellectual, sporting and social activities.
Various co-curricular and extracurricular associations were inaugurated last week in the college. These associations strive to develop the personality of students by inculcating values and exercising leadership along with academics.
But in recent years, one of the major criterion in higher education is job orientation. People feel that it's not just the knowledge, we need skills, and only the students with skills could get into employment, and without employment, purpose of higher education is not served. So, in the entire gamut of higher education, there have been structural changes brought about. One of the basic changes brought about colleges is to mandatorily introduce co-curricular and extracurricular activities, very systematically conducting activities through such associations, and then also making evaluations at the end of each semester, and then grading the students based on their performance in such examinations and evaluations, and offering certificates, which has immensely benefited a large number of students. In fact, St. Aloysius College is known for a lot of such activities. Even before introducing such a scheme, there were many associations functional in St. Aloysius College.
The college has well-trained staff to guide students in this regard.
As a secretary of Al-Madhyam for last 2 years, it was indeed an enriching and a memorable experience for me. I felt it was an opportunity given to me to bring out the hidden talents, to bring out newness, to bring out creativity.
All in all, good grades can help you get scholarships, but having developed social skills will help you in the long run. With camera person Janet, myself Shreya, reporting for Community.
With the beginning of new academic year, the Department of Physical Education organizes interclass chess, table tennis, football and basketball matches for men and women. New talents and sports achievers are trained under efficient physical education directors. The college has extensive playgrounds and good facilities for all kinds of sports and games. A serial road accident near Mukka in Mangalore killed a young student on 24th of June, Tuesday. The deceased was identified as Dilshak Ahmed, a student of second year BCom St. Aloysius College. The staff and students paid their respect to the departed soul in the condolence meet held at the college premises on Wednesday, 25th of June. That's all for this week's news. Thank you and have a great week ahead.